Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are passionate about fashion and marketing, you are in the right place. Today we are counting down the 5 best schools for fashion marketing that can help you break into this dynamic industry. Starting off strong with Fashion Institute of Technology, New York. Known for its top tier fashion programs, FIT combines creative fashion skills with in depth marketing knowledge. Next up, London College of Fashion. Located in one of the world's fashion capitals, it offers specialized courses in fashion marketing. Third one is Parsons Schools of Design, New York. Parsons is renowned for blending design innovation with business strategies, making it perfect for fashion marketers. Fourth one is Central Saint Martin's, London. A leader in creative arts, Central Saint Martin's offer cutting-edge programs tailored to fashion marketing. Finally, Polimoda in Italy, where fashion history meets modern marketing strategies, an excellent choice for an international career. These schools will give you the tools to shine in fashion marketing. Like and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for watching.